Rusaal here. I'm the manager at Priceline Pharmacy West Brunswick. I'm back again with another video about another product run by Roche Posay. So one of the main things that make Roche Posay really unique is the fact that they use the thermal spring water from the actual area in France called La Roche Posay. So what is so great about this thermal spring water? This thermal spring water is the only spring water that has high levels of selenium and prebiotic activity. So it's very, very healing, it's very, very soothing, and there are clinics specifically designed to channel that spring water and help anyone with skin conditions and other conditions as well. So you know that when you are using a La Roche Posay product, it's going to be a great product that's very, very cooling, calming, and healing for the skin. So without kind of going on too much further, I'm going to introduce you to another product of theirs. It's called the TOLERIANE Ultra Light. So that's this one here. So the TOLERIANE Ultra Light, there's a few different products within this range, and basically it's designed to be really, really soothing on the skin, very, very calming, and it's got minimal ingredients to make sure that there's no kind of extra damage that's happening to the skin. It's excellent for patients with sensitive skin, eczema, rosacea. It comes in a cleanser and moisturizer as well. So it's a great product, but I'm just going to talk to you about the moisturizer for now. The idea of this moisturizer is that it's got 4 active ingredients. The first one is shea butter, so that one is just a very hydrating product. You can see it in a lot of products already. It is a very commonly used kind of active ingredient to help moisturize the skin. So that's that one. It's also got glycerin. A lot of people recognize glycerin from products such as Sorboline, so it does the same thing. It locks in that moisture and it tends to be very, very smoothing for the skin as well. The third one is the thermal spring water, which contains the prebiotics and the selenium in there, which is great in terms of making sure that your skin flora is nice and active. And then the last one is a really, really good one called Neurosensine. That is a natural anti-inflammatory that we have that's placed in this product. So the anti-inflammatory of this reduces inflammation and redness on the surface of the skin. Now, studies have shown that around within 10 minutes of using this product, that redness does go down, that inflammation does tend to start being reduced. So it is a really, really good product. It comes in a bottle that looks like this, and a lot of people may consider this to be a small bottle, but you can get up to 60 doses with this, and you don't need very much because it's a very thin, light, consistent moisturizer. It's really, really amazing. Once you place it on, your skin tends to feel so much softer. I started using this at nights when I had this, and in the morning it feels a whole lot different. Now the other thing is anyone buying a moisturizer that has sensitive skin or just is very cautious about what they put on their skin, this is a really good product because one, it's in a pump bottle. So often when you get other creams that are in tubs, what happens is you've got a handful of bacteria going into the tub, scooping it out and placing it on your face. So it's not a good idea because you're retransmitting any sort of bacteria on your hand back into that tub and then placing it on your face. So it's probably aggravating it more than you think. The other thing about this is that the doses are calculated. So you've got about 60 doses in here. You don't need very much at all. You need one dose to cover your entire face. So that gives you an idea of how thin it is and how easily how easily it can be applied on the face as well. And then the last thing is within this bottle itself, it comes in the cream is kind of enclosed in a kind of plastic wrapping. So what happens is this bag, the suction of the spray creates a negative sort of pressure, and then that builds up and that causes the cream to rise up as you continue on with the pumps. So you're going to get all of it out of this bottle, which is great because you don't get that very often with other products as well. So this is the TOLERIANE Ultra Light. It's a really, really good moisturizer. I would recommend it to anyone with sensitive skin or just someone who just needs a new moisturizer. It's a great one.